Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Today I am going to discuss about KYC updation for NRI, PIO and OCI customers of Bank of India. Introduction. KYC Know Your Customer updation is an important banking requirement for all customers, including non-resident Indians, NRIs, persons of Indian origin PIOs, and overseas citizens of India OCIs. Through the official Bank of India website, customers can obtain information regarding KYC compliance, documentation requirements, and submission procedures. Periodic KYC updation helps the bank maintain updated customer records, comply with regulatory guidelines, strengthen account security, and ensure uninterrupted banking services. Customers residing abroad are advised to complete the KYC updation process within the stipulated time to avoid any inconvenience in account operations. Documents required for KYC updation. First, identity proof. NRI, PIO, and OCI customers are required to submit valid identity proof documents. Accepted documents include valid passport, overseas passport, OCI card for PIOs and or OCIs. These documents are necessary to verify the customer's identity and nationality status. Second, non-resident status proof. To confirm overseas residency and non-resident status, customers may submit any one of the following documents: valid visa, work permit, government-issued national ID having address of country of residence, residence permit, driving license issued by the country of residence. These documents serve as proof that the customer is currently residing outside India. Third, photograph. Customers are required to provide a recent color photograph. The photograph should be clear, recent, and suitable for official banking records. Address proof documents. Customers must also submit valid address proof documents. Any officially valid document, wherever applicable or available, may be submitted. Accepted address proof documents include proof of possession of Aadhaar, driving license, voter's identity card issued by the Election Commission of India, job card issued by NREGA duly signed by an officer of the state government, letter issued by the National Population Register containing details of name and address. These documents help in verifying the customer's permanent or communication address. Overseas proof of address. Customers residing abroad are additionally required to provide overseas proof of address. Any one of the following documents carrying the overseas address is acceptable: passport, driving license, government issued national ID having address of country of residence, utility bill, electricity, water, gas, telephone, postpaid mobile, not more than 2 months old, registered tenancy or rent or lease agreement, original late overseas bank account statement carrying overseas address not more than 2 months old, employer's certificate confirming overseas address. Customers should ensure that the overseas address proof is submitted is valid, clear, and updated. Modes of submission. Bank of India customers can submit KYC documents through any one of the following modes. First, home branch or any BOI branch. Customers may visit their home branch where the account is maintained or any Bank of India branch and submit the required documents directly. This method allows customers to complete the KYC process through physical verification at the branch. Second, by post, courier, or email. Customers may also send attested copies of the required documents through post, courier, scanned copies via their email ID registered with the bank. The documents should be sent to the customer's home branch. This facility provides convenience for customers residing outside India who may not be able to visit the branch personally. Mandatory attestation requirement. If the documents are submitted through post, courier, or email, the copies must be mandatorily attested by any one of the following authorities: authorized officials of overseas branches of scheduled commercial banks registered in India, branches of overseas banks having relationships with Indian banks, notary public abroad, court magistrate, judge, Indian embassy and consulate general in the country where the non-resident customer resides. Proper attestation is essential to validate the authenticity of the submitted documents. Importance of KYC updation. Timely KYC updation helps Bank of India customers continue their uninterrupted banking services, avoid restrictions on transactions and account operations, maintain updated customer information, ensure better security and regulatory compliance, facilitate smooth domestic and international banking transactions. Customers are advised to respond promptly whenever KYC updation communication is received from the bank. Conclusion: KYC updation is an essential responsibility for NRI, PIO, and OCI customers maintaining accounts with Bank of India website. By submitting valid identity proof, overseas address proof, non-resident status proof, and other required documents through the prescribed modes, customers can ensure seamless banking services and regulatory compliance. The multiple submission options, including branch visit, post, courier, and email facilities, provide flexibility and convenience to customers residing abroad. Disclaimer: this article is meant purely for general informational and educational purposes for Bank of India customers. Documentation requirements, attestation procedures, and KYC guidelines may change from time to time as per regulatory instructions and bank policies. Customers are advised to verify the latest KYC requirements, acceptable documents, and procedural updates directly through the official Bank of India website or by contacting the respective branch before submission of documents. Thank you very much for your patience. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.